create a Google account. Hi guys, today you are joining the Mohan Vlogs, how to create video session. Today we discuss how to create a Google account. That means Gmail account, and you can access your Android phone, Google Chrome, Gmail, YouTube, etc. You have 50 more than apps Google creates. You can use this email address and password. You can access these apps. This video we discuss Android version, PC version, and step by step 4 easy steps. Create your Gmail account correctly. First we look how to create a Google account in the smartphone. Okay, now you go to the your Google browser. uh, you have Chrome, Firefox, Google search, any search engine. You can type the Gmail, then search. You find the www.gmail.com/gmail address, then click the link and pop up your create account sheet. Okay, you can see left hand side bottom corner have a create account, and select the for myself. Then you can create your first name, type your first name and last name, and next. Then you enter your birthday and gender details. Birthday have a very important thing. I discuss the PC version is broadly. Okay, third step is you create or pick the address. Google are given the templates, your email address, but it's not great. Then you create your own address using your unique words. Sometimes you address use the another user, then you just few numeric or alphabet, then you can create your email address. Then move to the password. Okay, your minimum requirement is password at 8 characters, numeric and alpha. Then create the password and move to the fourth step. Google terms and policy agreement and personalize your profile. Now your Gmail address is create already. Then move to the next. Now this tab have privacy and terms and permissions. Need to agree with the Google. Then click the agree and accept your Google service. Here we go. It's a Google account you show, and first email come from the Google. Back to email address. Left hand side top corner have a three bars. It's have a menu item. You see, and right side top corner have a round circle. It's the profile. Then you click and you can manage your account you want. You can add the email address change, your name changes and password changes. You can add the person photo. Okay, next move to the PC version. How to make account. You can open your browser and search a Gmail and find the Gmail link, and you can click the left hand bottom corner create account for myself. If you create business account, and also if you want a business account, then click the business account. Okay, same process as same as the you need to done. First name, last name, and you need to adjust the email address and password and confirmation password, and you can must need to maintain 8 characters in the your email address, your password. Then move to next. Okay, now is a very important thing, the require phone number and email. These two options are need to verify your account, and if have any misplaced your password, the link or your passcode come to the phone number, this email address, then you must need to add the current email address and your phone number. And also very important thing is the birthday. Google applications, you can access 100 around 100 applications. This Some applications have age limits. Based on your age, you can access Google applications. I give a example for the countries how age requirements must need to use Google applications, and some applications have required ages, and I will show this for your information. There is a list. You see the specific age requirement of the Google application. Move to the previous sheet, then you can select the gender and click next. Okay, you create the below request age level account. You need to add the link to your parents account. I show you how to add the parents account. Then you added parents account email address and password, enter. Then you need to verify, have guidelines, and you read and how to agree with the Google. Now you come to the verify your information in the children account. Okay, now go to the, now you create the Google account, and under 13 below, if needed, request this link to parent account. And every time your child account login, you must need to enter your email account and password to access their email address. Okay, now create the account. Okay, here we go. Now we are in the new email account we create. Okay, here is the view of the your email account. I use the default method. Left side have main title bar, inbox, send item, draft, trash. You can select and you can use this folder. Top right side have your profile. Then you click the round icon and manage account. Go to the manage account, and you can personalize your account. You can add the profile picture. You can change the name and password. If you anything you to edit, you can edit this. Go to tab. Okay, now I show you how to log out this account, and you see my this account as below on the 13 account. The Google remove the some most applications are removing this account. And okay, now we move to the verification, how to verify your account. Then click your profile picture and manage your account. Click the manage your Google account and go to the secure tab and secure account, and click the sign in and recovery tab. And two options you have: phone number verification and recovery email address. You can add both options, and by recommend to phone address, sometimes request the password to verify before. Okay, you can enter the phone number this and click the next, and you must need to okay this message. Then you can receive the six characters verify codes. Okay, go to next. Okay, your account is successfully verified. If you want to verify your email address in the email account, you can same process you can done, and you can receive the email address to verification code, and you can click the verify link and verify your account. Thank you for watching, and don't miss to subscribe my account. Thank you for watching. Bye.